Hello dear friends all around the globe. It's me, Mateja from Ljubljana, Slovenia. I'm now at Ljubljana's castle, a very romantic place. Maybe you can hear the harp behind me playing. For those ones who are having lunch at our restaurant, Strelec. Now I'll be slightly turning around, so behind me now you're going to see the northern part of Ljubljana, the capital of Slovenia, with around 300,000 people. Far away in the distance, maybe you can see Kamniške Alpe, that would be a kind of rocky mountains, border with Austria. So Ljubljana is stretching pretty well towards north, but on the southern part, I think I mentioned the other day, there is not so much possibility because we have marshland there. So I'll be slightly turning around, that you're going to see also a part of these fort walls or castle walls, which you can visit free of charge when you are in Ljubljana. In a few minutes time I'm starting a tour with a German family from Germany, so we do have some visitors and we are really very happy, but not a lot of crowd anyway. So if you'd like to go to the castle, you can take a funicular or you can walk. And over here then, if you look behind me, there is a courtyard. So here we have two restaurants, Na Gradu and Strelec, as I mentioned, with that instrument, harp playing. There is also a coffee shop, maybe you can see it under these white sun umbrellas. And then far away in the distance, maybe you see the tower of Ljubljana's castle. And there are two flags, white and green is Ljubljana's flag, and the white, blue and red is the Slovenian flag. So when you're in Ljubljana, I would say to visit a castle, it is a must. Thank you very much for your attention and have a lovely afternoon.